Established in year 2015, Jiangsu Goldenline Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, branding as Goldenline, is a professional designer and manufacturer, especially engaged in various of industrial use and household use hand tools, tool cabinets, workshop and garage use, workstations, and storage systems, and all other different kinds of auto maintenance use products. Goldenline integrates R&D, production, sales, and customized service as a complete operational orientation, and the products have entered into the market in over 80 countries and regions worldwide. After many years' high-speed development, Goldenline has increased investment enormously by purchasing industrial premises to build up workshops and establishing complete auto production line with numbers of high-end equipment. Thus, the production capacity is substantially improved. Company's revenue has been tripled in the year of 2021, comparing to the year of foundation, and we are aiming another 100% increase within the next 3 years. Furthermore, relying upon powerful marketing skills and craft design strengths, Goldenline has participated in new product R&D process for customers, thereby providing professional opinion for customers at the early product design stage. Moreover, Goldenline provides a series of relevant customized services and gradually formed the company recognition of technically leading and first-class service based on the reputation of great design and golden quality. Goldenline shall always be holding the faith as inspire the iron. We shall be grateful and feedback to each customer on the path of company's development. Looking forward to creating greater success with you.